Kashnong Sakhri bat Kashnong Pandare kidi kishnong gendong kibadon hapo jong ka ilaka narpo East Giant Hill District kinong shnong jong kini kishnong kidi kibom patchem ladon kerteng setia hakathup khana samari jong kari India kajing bom don kerteng haka khana samari kalapenlong ye kinong shnong bandu ye kijing mentoy kibawan naka sorkar ka company de bilat jong ka star cement lum shnong langba jong katnat CSR kalale bon ki kam babha hakashnong Sakhri bat kashnong Pandare ban kintiwe kini kishnong kalathe bon ki jingiarap shakinong shnong menta ubna ya yong jong uni isnem araja ar fulai kani ka company kalapanyo ru ya ka boarding da ki solar lighting system haman laki tliwing bat haki yeng mani kumjo ru labu hadu khasantli ki street light haki babun ki jaka haki ni kishnong la aban ong ba kani kishnong menta kalayo ya ka jingshai boarding khamtam hakapor min haka jingjurip ka badang shen ya ka shnong Sakhri u Mawphor ulalap baki yeng kisem jong kinong shnong kelayo jingshai hakapor min bat namar ba kadeiru ka jaka ka bashit ki babon ki yeng kilala aban penun kam ye ke pangkha bat chat cheki mobile bat chibon ki we ki kam kilala aban trei hakapor min kumjoru ka shnong ka thau kala shai hakapor min namar ka jingdon jong ki street light kinong shnong kilapan pau ya kijing saukmen bat sngo ya ka company star cement kablawan ra yakini ki solar lighting system haki yeng kisem haki yeng mane bat ki street light hakashnong kila ong ru ba kajingyo ya kajing shai nakini ki solar light kalapan la ya ki khon ki kti ke bale school bakin pulekot haka pormen kumjo ru kilala bantrei ban kata ya ki kam haka pormen bat pensuk ru ya ki haka le kawan hapo shnong haka pormen namar kajing shai jongki street light Wah shnong jong ka Sakhri uba nildis tong per ula ai kuble ya ka company star cement but kumju ru ya uking shok bora ubade u manager CSR jong ka company star cement ubale shim kia ban penbit penbiang yaki kam ki jam khamtam ha ka baidei but kani ka jingyo boarding solar light hapo jong ka shnong ka company kala isin e yangi kinong shnong kumta kala wanbo dakini ki solar light hakipor ki ba manshwa habangiya hakilin ti shnong ngihap ban pendon kam da ki jing pen thabading ne ki torchlight Henry mentapan ngimnon kam torchlight show nama kiladon kini ki street light menta ngilai long lem kumbalong ki we kishnong kibayo ya kajing shai boarding bat ngi kermen bakin nangkershan bat yarap shushu yangi kinong shnong
te nakaliang jongi kum ka balang isno ngu sibon ya sarbora iba la ayengi ya ka soralat nama hagini kisnong bedak ni chamstom re ila ayengi bat mentang ile yo suk bat ha kata ka soralat haka baru berpeluang dengan seng mensengiru yo ngilak ban ring lang ba lai teli ki fan te kani kede ka bengi sio de ban ai ka buram niki ya ki jing la bha ki jing na liang jong kepala te haka por miru yo da kani ka solar ban om don kam chu da ki pat kilan de tang da kani ka solar lai ngila yo jing ker kusubun na ka station ta ka long ka jing ai beli jong na liang jong kum kepala
Kebeli ya istar badan boram, kemudian orang kalian bernyi mentah kena kepor, bolong hukum ki bejong inong tre hapok kastar semen, kemudian kalian bernyi mentah ki balai keloi bannya kitlang, nong ta ka imlang salang yang hukum kinong senong, akan ni senong Sakhri. Yang jangan aku merubah senong, aku boleh kerpang lagi, nak kita bakila yarap ini kamtam naka solar home solar, boleh penjuk aman lagi telujeng. Ban yo ya ka jingsai kum ki longjing longsem ki bampat yo ya ka jingsai na ka liang jong ka sarkar mentang yo ya ka jingsai tang na ka daw ka ba ki star cement ka isne yang kum ki longsang snong bat halor kata gila air kamtam ya ki street light ki bahaman la ki lentis snong ila pe yo ya ka jingsai mensuangi dan kam da ki tos light ban ya chapo snong po thau dai mentapat dan kam si ya ki jingsai nama rodon ki street light hapo snong pat ke arpat ni ai kubre kerpang lo yi nam ta ke jingiarap yi nam ta ka surok sinong yang ni haman lagi senam ban pelai surok ni adu saul ne sansnem lalu saul sem sansnem menswa kila jingiarap haman lagi senam ni nam ta ban pelai surok tang ha ka potlang nama ha ke jingjai inti yang ni kum surok ni ya ta ka potlang nama pat ya ke jingking ka ba long hang tai ha telan tang ta dau jingiarap jongki yangi kum kinong sang ai ka boram yaki bakin ikermen ro banandum takin ya kersang ro lem yangi kum kinong sang bangin yo sisu ya ki jing yarap la liang jong ka star semen kenang bangi kum kinong sang kini ya ya ka jing usuk ngan kum kinang shnong bat man long ri kishnong kiba kum kibai pat kishnong kiba ya kismisai.
Good evening. Actually, we have installed the solar light system at every house in the Sakhri village. There are 38 numbers of houses. So each and every house we have installed this solar light system. Earlier also we have done in Pandare village also for 21 houses. So where the government lighting system is not there, so we are providing alternate source of lighting to uplift their life for a better way, like charging of mobile also they are suffering. The children, due to education non-availability of light, their education is suffered. So they are getting better in the night time. They are getting the light, and then their life has uplifted by putting this system. And each unit cost is around 55 to 60,000 rupees, and total cost of project at till we have done approximately 35 to 37 lakh already we have invested in that. And for the public only, we are continuing our CSR activities are on full in the nearby area wherever is the need. So we are always there, and we will continue to work in the area for the betterment of the and upliftment of life of the people. So this is from our side. This solar lights project, we are also doing a number of projects for the public, piggery project, poultry project, and we have made farmer clubs, so they are getting trained from that. A number of entrepreneurs in the field of piggery also they are developed. And there are some villages where the approach road was a problem. So we have made with providing excavators machinery, we have made the approach road, which is a basic need. So that has to be there. When a person is sick, so people are carrying them on their shoulders, and then they are approaching. So there is a very difficult position. So we have made 2-3 villages approach road also provided, and we are getting repaired every year to them when it is damaged in the rainy season. So we are continue to work number of CSR activities. Is it unaccountable? I don't have the list at present, but in the memory which is there. So whatever is their need of the public, so we are assessing the requirement of the public, and then we are continuing to work from there.